Hey, what is up YouTube, and you're watching the review of the Samsung Galaxy S8 in 2019. So this is my dream phone right here. I like this device because of its design, its build quality, its features. Everything about this device is so spectacular that I wouldn't mind getting this device and using it for 3 or more years. In this video I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna tell the pros and cons and still it's worth to buy or not in 2019. So inside the box we are getting the device itself, which is an orchid grey Samsung S8. This color for me is my personal favorite color. Apart from that, inside the box we get the ejection pin, and let's keep this device to the side and let's see what's inside the box. As you can see, inside the box we're getting the earphones, which is the AKG two-way dynamic earphones, the micro USB connector and the USB connector to Type-C. Apart from that, we get some paperwork and stuff and nothing special inside the box. So let's look at the device itself. So no exaggerations, this is a Samsung display you're looking on. The build quality of this device is sandwich-like, composing of glass and metal. At the back you get the glossy surface. The camera is not that improved from the S7 Edge. It's slightly improved, including the image processing, the colors, but it's not that big of a drastic improvement which you might want to consider if you are switching it from the Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. All in all, I would say that this device is pretty superb to have in this year as well, because it's quite snappy. It has all the basic features. It does not have the notch design. It's not gonna lag. It's gonna provide you with every basic need. And at the back you can see the Samsung branding, the 12 megapixel rear camera along with the fingerprint scanner and LED flash and heart rate monitor as well. At the side we got the power key and nothing else. And looking at the bottom, we got the 3.5mm headphone jack, the USB Type-C port, the speaker grill and the microphone port. And at the left side of this device we're getting the volume rockers and the Bixby button, which is of no use. And at the top we're getting a SIM tray and a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. So that was the quick overview of this device. Let's now power this device on and take a look at what's inside. So the colors are vivid, the colors are great, and everything about this device is spectacular. And at the front we're getting a 8 megapixel front camera along with the iris scanner and LED notification lights. So no notch, no stuff like that. And this device is having a 5.8 inches Quad HD Super AMOLED Plus display with a PPI of 570. The display you're getting with this device is better than that of any other smartphone you're currently getting in the market right now. Hands down, Samsung produces the best displays ever. It's going to provide you with vivid colors and sharp image quality. The Samsung Galaxy S8 is still snappy. It's still getting updates from Samsung, and it is powered by octa-core 2.3 GHz quad-core processors, which is a 64-bit processor. And the weight of this device is 155 grams, which is not that heavy and not that light. The basic sensors, the gyro sensor, the fingerprint, accelerometer, pressure, iris sensor is there. The battery capacity is 3000 mAh, which is gonna last you for one complete day of usage. Not more than that. The battery is not that good of this device. If you guys use it on Quad HD display, it's not gonna last you for longer than one day. Anyways, the water resistance capability is still IP68. It is powered by 4 GB of RAM, which is the DDR4 RAM, and this is a 64 GB variant. Now talking about the camera of this device, it is having a 12 megapixel dual pixel camera, and at the front we are getting a 8 megapixel camera, which is also having aperture of 1.7, and it does have optical image stabilization as well. Keeping in mind the release of the newer Samsung Galaxy devices, this device is now a lot cheaper to get. So you can get a Samsung Galaxy S8 under $400. I'm not talking about the Plus variant, but for me the Plus variant is not what I would pay extra $100 for, because you're just getting a little bit of expanded screen size and a little bit of expanded battery capacity. Nothing else, everything else is same. So for me the S8 standard version is all that I need. So that was a quick review of the Samsung Galaxy S8 in 2019. If you guys have any questions or any queries, you can comment down below. I'll answer them all. And yeah, thank you for watching this video, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Till then, take care. This is Ali Shahid signing off. Peace.